cards.
They don't file, my goodness. The card's not going to say.
We homeschool.
Everybody spread out, and then I will start the Everybody spread out.
No, I got 2 hearts. Oh,
You want dance?
wait. No,
Wait, you got 2
wait,
hearts?
what's the thing that looks like a...
No! Over there. You want to do a truce? You. What about... Wait, so you're going to kill me with a knife? How about just a $5 bet again?
If I were a terrorist, I promise to only knife you.
Okay.
That keeps the game flow. You're innocent and I kill you. Then I give you $5.
Yeah. Hey, Jack. Okay, yeah. I have an active grenade now. Who's the sheriff? Well, yeah, I know Eli's the sheriff. I mean, where is he? Yes. It's not me. It's you. Who just killed Eli? Wait. Who are you? No, I'm not. Are you a terrorist? Back up. Hit.
Behind me.
Rylan literally killed me, walked around, and they were like, no, legit, me and Kayla
there. So they keep their
I
extra
knife
bribe
Milo.
in.
I was too. That was hilarious though, because Zeke was.
Okay, I'm putting mine right here. Right here.
Cool.
Right
Something in the middle.
Yeah, just a little itch.
All right, who's the sheriff?
No.
That's right, none of y'all are, because I am. This new sheriff in town, all right? And I shoot first, ask questions later. Zeke, I think it's you.
No. Ben? No, he's just joking around. What? Miles, did you shoot him? I will not shoot you. Okay. Bet. Got him. Judah. What? Matthew, why are you shooting the sheriff? You're shooting the sheriff.
We're going to get him.
Who'd you just shoot? No, look! Matthew's trying to snipe me. Come. Is there anyone alive over there?